Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. This is my month to go through my stash and finish up any paper pads that I have used in the past, 6 months, and some even longer. I had made a mini album out of this wedding collection. Love the paper. I mean, it's so pretty, the pink and black and a little bit of green, and it's very trendy looking, and I really liked it. I looked at it around the same time that I got this fabulous birthday card from one of the people she sends out so many cards a month. She is part of the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creation, meaning she's been a part of the group for a while. So she sent me this beautiful birthday card, and it got here, I think, even before my birthday, June 1st. So look at it. Isn't that gorgeous? So I recreated this card and made a couple other ones. Let me move these out of the way and show you one at a time. So I made this card, oops, with the scraps of the wedding collection. Now, it's not exactly the same. Patty Murphy put a sentiment here and a sentiment there. I didn't do that. I put this, it says our love story, first day, yes day, the best day. So I just figured it would be a good keepsake. And if I were to give this to someone, I would just put a piece of paper here, probably there. And you open it like that, and it is fabulous. So instead of the gold that Patty used, I used silver because that seemed to go better with the black and the white. And I didn't have an embellishment like this, but I did use stickers that came with the collection. So there was the first one I made. And then I had this cute little, this was a 1.5 or 2x2 cut apart, and I didn't have any more of those. So I decided to just change it, and I used a 3x4 cut apart. And so I put that there, and then just a scrap of paper there. This is another 3x4 cut apart that I added stickers. And I didn't use metallic, I just used an off-white to coordinate with some of the colors in the paper. So I just sort of changed it a little bit. Still had some more scraps left, but not enough to make another one. So I just made a plain 5x7 card with several layers, some of the scraps of the silver metallic paper, some of the stickers, and just decorated a little bit inside. And I still had some left. And so I made a couple of little gift cards thinking these would be cute on a bag or on a present if you were giving somebody a gift. Yeah, so that is what I made, smashing all of the leftovers from the wedding paper collection that I got. This was from Echo Park. There's of year 2021, so it's not that old, but it had been in my stash for a while. So thank you, Patty Murphy, for inspiring me. And that is what I made with this collection. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.